CHZ generally faces obstruction at $20, which most certainly is very critical. CHZ down around 13% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. CHZ pair exchanging underneath the MA20, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Chilliz for the most part shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, truly as opposed to prevalent. Thinking. 09 Walk 2024. In this we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sort clarification on some pressing issues facts, what really is transient cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ a wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, fundamentally let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $2 596 498 391 362 in an extremely significant manner. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $149 102 264 845 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Most certainly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $397.93 during the past 24 hours. So the kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $149 102 264 845 in a very huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span in an especially large manner. Sol, the local coin of Solana, especially is up by Zone 49, and at present exchanging at $147.19, which sort of is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions sort of show that the market basically is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how the for the most part complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $149 102 264 845, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. As of now, a general exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 0.9% coming to $3.917.23 during the past 24 hours, so the especially all-out exchanging volume really remains at $149 102 264 845, or so they explicitly thought. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchases for the most part become certainly more by and large dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move dynamic and all things considered prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3.917.23 during the past 24 hours, so the truly complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $149 102 264 845, which most certainly is very critical. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz. Execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ in every way that really matters is at $15, down 13% in the all things considered recent hours, and basically has a value change of 395% over the course of the week in an exceptionally significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC all things considered is 123,767 as est, while truly complete market cap came to $1,364,243,342 as USD, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. There really are practically 888 to 9,622 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how, as of now, an exceptionally broad, especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $397.93 during the past 24 hours. So the extremely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $149,122.64,845 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination. The Z9 walk 2024 inside a fundamentally everyday time period really made sense of beneath, showing how moreover XRP came to 0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem, which especially is very huge. We utilize exceptionally relative strength indexes, moving really normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and outstanding moving truly normal AMA to break down the future development of the Chilliz in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking basically. The especially relative strength record RSI for CHZ coin in a real sense is right now drifting at 28 for 14 days sort of normal line, which by and large means CHZ most certainly is in oversold zone, and a pattern, especially inversion in every practical sense, is conceivable. So as of now, a truly broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value diminishing of 0.9% coming to $397.23 during the past 24 hours. So the kind of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, which truly is genuinely huge. Chilliz generally is moving in descending courses, certainly bears effectively in every practical sense. Take the coin underneath prompt help level of $17, showing that the truly complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $149, 102, 264, 845, or so they truly thought. Presently, CHZ ought to especially track down a help at $15, or probably the dealers could then focus on the critical help level put at $23, showing how the genuinely relative strength. File RSI for CHZ coin generally is right now drifting at 28 for 14 days, genuinely normal line, which truly implies CHZ truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern truly inversion generally is conceivable. So as of now, and in every practical sense, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly